Okay, everybody. So here we are at Sunset Park. Of course, you got your ducks. Uh, there's a beautiful pond here. Usually there is kind of like some fountains out there that are usually going, but I don't see them going now. I don't know if they're like on a timer or something, but what's interesting is, as you can see, there's a sign that says no swimming, fishing, or ice skating. But the funny thing is that I've often seen people um, actually fishing here because there, believe it or not, there are fish in the pond here. So it's a couple of noisy ducks right there. So what I love about this park is not only the beautiful scenery and the trees, um, but the greenery as well. Um, looks like there's some, I don't know what you call those in the pond, rushes. There's some ducks flying in the air there. I don't know if you can hear them, but there they go. So we're making our way around the park here still. Again, this is Red Sunset in Gresham, Oregon. So as you can kind of see that there was that pathway of trees. I don't know if you could see that. I had the camera on it. It's actually kind of cool. I don't know if when they designed it, that they wanted it to look that way or what, but there's a little, I don't know what you call those things, gazebo or something. Anyway, so let's go check this out here. Little gazebo area with a better view of the pond. There's some more ducks, a lily pad. Sometimes you can usually maybe see a frog or two hopping around in there, but not really a lot going on today. The sun was supposed to come out. There's a bridge. Hard to say, maybe it might rain, but just going to continue on down the path here. So yeah, I've been here often myself just to get exercise and kind of contemplate life and everything. There's another gazebo. One thing I always liked about Sam is that he liked to share his positivity and humble yet happy outlook on things, on life. I'm hoping to carry on that positivity in my own life, one thing Sam taught me is to never give up, especially on things that you're passionate about. There is a huge, whatever you want to call that, of ducks out there in that field. Wow. That is crazy. I've seen ducks out there before, but never that many gathered like that. That's crazy. So as you can see, the skies are pretty clear. It's been raining a lot and windy the last couple days here in Portland. It's a little chilly out here. So they've got baseball diamonds out here. They've got a basketball court. They've got, a little bridge, pathways, gazebos, a play structure. It's your typical, park. Water fountain up ahead. So I went and saw Spider-Man a 4th time yesterday, but this time in 3D. I don't know what it is about that movie, but maybe the hype, maybe the nostalgia, maybe it's because I love Spidey so much, but if you haven't seen it, go get a chance because it is phenomenal. Man, that grouping of ducks is just nuts. Oops. So here's the very mossy green baseball diamond field. There's the bleachers, obviously, for Little League games or whatever are played here. I gotta say though, it is a pretty beautiful day compared to the dismal, gloomy weather we've been having. The Pacific Northwest is known for rainy, cloudy, dreary conditions. There you can still see those ducks. Just crazy and wild. Wow. Hey, good morning. I've never seen that many ducks in the field out there before. Right, everybody. There's some more beautiful trees. And the beautiful sky, the sun's coming out. shaping up not to be too bad of a day here, actually. Some more views of the ducks out there. Alright, everybody, and here's another one of those like almost cool looking pathways with trees on both sides. Just really cool. Alright, well, I think I'm gonna wrap this up. This is Primetime Tom at Red Sunset Park in Gresham, Oregon, right outside of Portland, Oregon. Kind of doing this walk because this is a park that our buddy Sam wanted to visit, but unfortunately never got to. At least that I'm aware of. But I know he's here with us now, so anyway, hope you all have a good day. This is in honor of Sam, and we just got done doing a walk out in the nature.